Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today we have another unboxing for you guys to check this out. This is from Kohl's. There are some more accessory or item that my wife got. So let's go and then open this up. Alright, so here the SKU number, the UPC code, the description. This is a set of 3-foot tents. Order 2 $8.99 each. And then the tongs with the artwork, 2-piece, $8.99 again. Oops. And then the third one is reusable straws, red and blue, 12-piece. It's $5.84. So 2 of each. It says $12.99 regular price. Go ahead and open one of it. The shape of the straw is stars. Go check out the tongs. So retail price on this $19.99. It's a nice rubber around here, and then right here. Then there's a little notch, so in case your hand is wet, it won't slip off. And then to lock it, just push this down. Slide this up. push down to allow it to open. So you could toss your salads or whatever meat. And here's the barcode for the food tents. So this is great items for summertime. You know, there's a whole bunch of flying around, and you don't want to leave out your food, and the flies get into it. So you pull this pull string, and it's gonna open. Make sure this mechanism is all the way up, just like that. Wow, cool. Hopefully this is gonna last. Not sure about the fabric though. Looks pretty fragile, but there's one. Give you an idea what it look like. It's a blue one. And then the white one. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video, guys. And be safe out there. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.